channel for the first time, you please subscribe and press the bell button to get the videos immediately. Dear Sagittarius sign, Sagittarius ascendant, Moolam, Puradam, Uttradam, first Padam star viewers. Malefic planet is Mercury for your sign. Your sign and 4th house, Lord Jupiter in 3rd house. So, you may have change of place, job change, post change. Jupiter aspects over 7th house Gemini, 9th house Leo, 11th house Libra. So spouse relationship will be intimate with love and affection. Friends and business partners will cooperate. You may get the help and support from your father. Your long-lasting and pending desires will be fulfilled. Chances for unexpected profits are seen. Financial problems so far faced will be solved. 2nd and 3rd house Lord in 2nd house had troubled you so far, which will come to an end by the retrogression of Saturn this month. Retrograded planet will give a different result, so you may have some relief. Saturn aspects of 4th house Pisces, 8th house Cancer, 11th house Libra. Take care of your mother's health. Be careful with financial dealings. Don't stand as surety for anyone for loans. Elder siblings may not cooperate. 5th and 12th house Lord Mars, placed in 7th house Gemini, aspected over by Jupiter. So children will flourish in all walks of life. You may feel proud about them. There may be tiresome travel and expenses over celebrations. Take care of your health as Saturn is aspected over by Mars. You may suffer from sinus, allergy and cold. 6th and 11th house Venus in 6th house Taurus will clear all the financial crises, duly helping with loans from banks. Women has to take care of their health. Problems may arise from unknown enemies for women in the office and house. Gentlemen, please be away from ladies to avoid controversies. 7th and 10th house Lord Mercury in 6th house Taurus may trouble your business, trade and career. Workload will be more in the workplace. Your hard work may not get recognized, which will be till the end of this month. 9th house Lord Sun exalted in 5th house Aries in the first half of the month and transits to 6th house Taurus in the second half. So you may have total blessings from family deity. Government contracts may not be finalized. Politicians will flourish in the first half of the month, but they may have tiresome travels and expenses in the second half. 4-planet conjunction may make you face multi-phase problems and be careful with financial dealings. 6th house Dragon Ragu may favor you with foreign travel and help from other language and other religion people. 12th house Ketu will make you diplomatic. Involve yourself spiritually, religiously along with yoga and meditation. Worship of Lord Murugan and Lord Kalabhairava will be beneficial for Sagittarians. Month begins with 8th house Lord Moon in your sign. Based on Moon's transit, favorable dates are 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th, 17th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th and 31st. Moon moves to 8th house on 18th, 19th and 20th May. On these days, be cautious. Avoid travels, new ventures and controversies. Be careful while driving vehicles. If your ascendant is this sign itself, you can go for the prediction of this sign. If otherwise, you go in for the prediction of this sign where your ascendant falls. It's a general prediction. Based on your birth chart, Dasa Bhukti predictions may vary. Planetary transit for May 2021. May 5th, Venus moves to Taurus. May 29th, Venus moves to Gemini. May 14th, Sun moves to Taurus. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.